Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Vismai food-style egg fry, step by step. This flavorful dish is perfect for any meal. To begin, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 boiled eggs, 3 thinly sliced onions, and 4 green chilies. Also, have 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and some fresh mint and green coriander ready. Don't forget 4 tablespoons of oil and our special homemade spice powder. Before we start cooking, let's prepare our aromatic spice blend. On a low flame, gently roast 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds until fragrant. Next, add a 1/4 cup of dry coconut, 1 star anise, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 3 cardamoms, and 4 cloves to the pan. Once roasted, grind all these spices into a fine powder. This homemade blend is the secret to our egg fry's incredible taste. Now let's get to the frying. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Carefully add your boiled eggs and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden color. Remove the eggs and in the same oil, add the thinly sliced onions, green chilies, and a pinch of salt. Sauté these ingredients until the onions are soft and translucent, which usually takes a few minutes. This step builds the base flavor for our delicious egg fry. For the final steps, add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and some ginger garlic paste to the softened onions. Fry this mixture for about 2 minutes. Now, cut your golden fried eggs into 1-inch pieces and add them to the pan along with our freshly ground spice powder. Cook everything together for another 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, sprinkle with fresh green coriander and mint leaves, mix well, and your delicious egg fry is ready to be served.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.